Good morning students. Today we are going to learn with the new chapter, that is geometry. We know that all the geometrical figures are based on the geometry like points, line segment, line, rays. Now I will explain it one by one. Now let's see point. What is point? Point is an exact location in space. It is represented by the small dot. It has no length, no breadth and no thickness. So here I put a point and gave a name A, B, C. How we will read the point? Point A, point B and point C. Now let's see line. What is line? Line is a straight path like this. It goes endlessly on both the sides. Line do not have beginning or ending. It has arrowheads like this on both the sides. This arrowheads shows that line goes endlessly on both the sides. We can give the points on the lines, for example A and B. How to read this A and B? That is line A, B or line B, A. We can write this as AB, showing the symbol of line on it, or BA, line symbol on it. Now see line segment. Line segment is a part of line. It has two endpoints. See students, here I draw one line segment. It has two fixed points. Now here a line segment is having CD, 2 points. It is a fixed distance on line. We can measure this line segment by using a ruler. And how to write this and how to read this? We have to read this as line segment CD, or we can write it as CD on that line segment. Now let's see the next geometrical concept, that is ray. Ray is a part of line. It has one end point and one side it goes endlessly. Now see, here it has one point and one side it goes endlessly. See, it has point B and another point C. This is ray which has one end point and on another side it goes endlessly in one direction. How to read this? Ray BC, or we can write it as BC on that the symbol of ray. Now students, we learned about the basic geometrical concept. Now I have given here some figures. We have to identify this figure. Now the first figure, here a line is having a fixed point. P and Q is given. What this line is called? This is line segment. This is line segment. And how we write this line segment? Line segment PQ, we can read it as this, and we have to write this PQ on this, the symbol of line segment. Now the another figure. It is a part of line which has one point and another point. It goes endlessly on one direction, having a one point C and D. It is nothing but the ray. And how we read this? We read this as ray DC, or we can write it as DC. On that the symbol of ray. Now another one. It is a line because it do not have beginning or an end. Both the sides arrowheads are there. This arrowheads itself shows that the line goes endlessly on both the sides. On the line we are having the point A and B. That means we can read as line AB, or we can write it as AB. On that the symbol of line. The next one is just a point located in a space, and a name is given here O, that is nothing but the point O.